market's open. Look at that spread. Let's go. Let's go. I see you climbing up the chart, looking overboard. Yeah, you're flying too close to the sun, giving all you got. All size 99. Tell me, is it real? Or are you pumping up the volume just to close a deal? I'm sitting calm in the shadows with the heavy position, waiting for the bulls to finally lose their vision. I see the way getting long, hitting resistance high. Don't tell me that you're holding, baby, don't you lie. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and liquidity is leaking, yeah. I see the panic starting to creep in, yeah. So tell the buyers good night, 'cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, crash, crash. Oh, drop that ass. Oh, yeah, feel that order. Drop that ass. You're trying to find support, the moving average, but I know the fundamentals represent the savage. I borrowed shares at the top, sold them in the green. Now I'm watching red candles wash away the dream. I hear the margin calls ringing on the telephone. Suddenly the diamond hands feel all alone. The volume spike is coming in heavy on the sale. We're riding on the algorithm straight to hell. 'Cause the bid is getting weak, yeah, and the liquidity is leaking, yeah. I see the panic starting to creep in, yeah. Hands in the air, say goodbye. So the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the gap, make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash. Lower highs, lower lows. That's the way the rhythm goes. Break the trend line, stop loss. Watch the valuation drop. Don't stop, keep falling. And don't stop, keep falling. Flush it. Cause the bears are taking control again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Create the make it fast. Yeah, the bears are running the show again. So baby, let me see you drop that. Down to the floor, make it crash, 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 crash.
They don't see the move, nah. They see it, taking it, yeah. Stocks was the warm up, yeah. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move, nah. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fast, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold, yeah. They checking the headlines, I'm checking the chain. They seeing the panic, I'm seeing the game. They punching the clock, stuck in the rain. I'm building the future, I'm changing the game. This ain't no casino, this a calculated play. They follow the herd, I go my own way. Buying the red, they'll be sick on the green day. I read the white paper, they don't know what to say, yeah. This is for the ones who got iron grip. That's right. It's so to the bottom, they messed up the trip. We just bought a dip, add another chip. Let them run their mouth, man, I'm zipping the lip. Watching this stack go. Stocks was the warm, crypto's a new play. Crypto see the move play. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't too fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fold. 6 figures, 7 figures, what's the deal? This ain't no get rich quick. This is a shift. Generational, this is a gift. They hoping for luck, I'm reading the script. I'm my own bank now, I am the boss. They can't see the vision, that's when they lost. I cut out the middle, man, cut out the cost. Whether the winner, don't care about the frost. This is digital gold, this a new age. Turn my whole portfolio, turn a new page. They stuck in the past like a new praise. While I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. I'm on the next move, building the stage, gone. They said it was nothing, said it was a dream. Now they all watching me, watching on screen. It's a lonely road. We are the one who know. We are the one who know. Yo, stocks was a warm up. Crypto's a new play. They don't see the move now. I see it in broad day. Pockets ain't your fat, man. We taking it hippo. That's the end goal. Stacking till it can't fall.
Yeah. They look at the chart and see history. I look at the chart and I see destiny. Yeah, I'm already there.
Candles are painting, I tell them the color. You hedging your bets, yeah, you scaring your mother. I'm 50 lights deep and I don't even blink. I know what the algorithm's starting to think. Liquidity grabs, yeah, I see where it's hiding. The wave reposition, I'm already riding. Your stop loss is hitting, my take profits printing. You running the sprint, but I finished the mission before it began. God plan, I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup form and I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, I'm bringing the bag back. Stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I done the fix, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, look, I'm at the bottom while you were asleep. I'm playing for keeps, I'm diving in deep. The oracle speaks, I hold it for weeks or I hold it for seconds. I am a legend, a force to be reckoned. ES is jumping, NQ is pumping, I feel it coming. My heart isn't thumping. Go, ice, I'ma go. Made this story's told. I don't guess, I don't stress, I don't pray for luck. I see the setup forming, I don't give a fuck. Vision is 2020, looking down from the sky. Watch the green candles fly. I go to tomorrow, ain't bring the bag back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map back. I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, then I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm the fix, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock. Yeah. Top bottom, I'm already there. I go to tomorrow, bringing the bag, bring it back. You stuck in the present, I'm off of the map, I see the rotation, I saw it last night. I'm trading the future, I'm holding the light. I'm light years away, yeah, I'm out of your zone. The market is king, and I sit on the throne. I don't wait for the tick, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock, I'm a bitch, I don't wait for the shot. On the clock.
Yeah.
Good morning, traders. Happy Friday, Christmas week. Hope you guys had a wonderful Christmas holiday with family, food, friends. The 3 F's, right? It's the holy 3 F's. Family, food, friends. All right, traders. Let's get some holy trading going on here. There's a few plays popping on off this morning. We want to, in the Christmas spirit, reel in some profits before this Christmas week is over. Christmas was a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. I was playing around with Grok yesterday. I don't know if you guys have downloaded that app, but I had a picture of. Let me see if I could show you. This was I was able to throw Santa into a picture and show my kids, and they were like, "What? That's Santa?" There's Santa coming into the house via AI. Insane. Putting some presents down. So they had a great time. A lot of fun, a lot of presents. Santa ate his cookies. I told him Santa, he didn't want milk. Santa wanted some bourbon. Santa wanted bourbon, so got some bourbon going. Yeah, it was a good time. A very good time with family and friends. So hope you all had a great Christmas. I'm ready to get back to trading. Volume's likely going to be light, but the green team, we can't miss it, right? We can't miss these opportunities because with a lot of the bulls absent, I think there's good opportunity to fade some plays down today. So that's what I'm going to be looking for. Yeah, it was cracking me up. The kids, they just had so much fun. And my son, his birthday's Christmas Day, so he turned 6 yesterday. And it's hardly believable. Can hardly believe it. But it was a good day. Good day celebration. And today we're gonna keep that going. My brother's in town. He lives in Chicago, so he flew in. We're gonna hang out. Our kids are roughly the same age. That reminds me, I need to message him back real quick. All right. Congrats. Yeah, thank you. I can't believe it, man. I cannot believe it. So, traders, AMCI did take a little short on this. I like the resistance of the wicks at 1120. If all eyes are going to be here at the open, she could get a pop though. May take it off. I have a 1050 short on it right now. There's several decent plays I want to sprinkle on for some backside opportunity. So let's dive into those. I think Fade's going to be in here in a little bit too. We'll see what he's watching. But this was AMCI. Took a little short on it so far. I like the 1120 risk guide. But this is where most eyes are at right now. So I may take it off and revisit. It's kind of basing out. Robotics theme. We have the upper wicks. What I liked this morning then when I saw it was, it failed the 1120 and then it kind of pulled back and started. It was kind of heavy under this VWAP, but she's been still even holding this up. It's kind of in a flag pattern right now. So it's going to do one of two things, right? One of two things she's going to do. Up or down. Brilliant. And you see if my face was out of the way, you can see the volume too. It's the volume's kind of tickering out. There we go. Volume's kind of fading off on it. So for the bulls here, we're going to need another volume spike to get that thing to retest those upper wicks 1120. So that's all I'm looking at there with AMCI. But I got a lot of decent plays to look at. And I want to take a look at them with the man and the myth, the legend. I missed you, Fades. I missed you. How we doing? No, bad timing. He jumped out of here. Crow in the building. Crow, how's Christmas? There we go. Good morning, Fades. How are we doing?
I don't know if you guys can hear me or not.
Yeah. Can hear you.
I hear you.
You can't hear me. I hear you. Called it this morning, AMCI at 980. Yeah. I like it right here. If with the volume kind of fading out.
FV.
I like it to crack here, but I'm monitoring that volume carefully. 11:20 risk guide. Still a bit hungover. Drink it off, Crow. Just drink it off. Drink it off. I was telling them, Crow, Santa
Give me 1 second.
Santa didn't want milk unless there was alcohol in the milk. Santa didn't want milk this year. The kids knew what to get Santa. 980 on AMCI. What about now, Phage? All right, just holla at me. Try that. Test. No. All right. We'll get on the watch list. Okay, so that's AMCI right now, guys. Flagging, volume kind of fading out. Yeah, it's good on their end. ECDA, little pump this morning at 9. It looks pretty heavy. I actually kind of like this ECDA. This was the idea with AMCI. It cracked a level, started getting heavy under VWAP. I don't see any news ECDA, little penny play. That one kind of looks weak right now, too. The idea for me today, I want to sprinkle a little bit on a lot. I want to sprinkle a little bit on a lot because I think we could get some decent faders going into today with the Bulls absent. With the Bulls absent going into today. So Tuna mentioned OPTX. This was on the watch list. You guys know I always keep plays on the watch list that were hot from really the last week. OPTX has been basing out this 220 is a decent risk guide. He gave it a Tuna score of 85% Tuna score. So I'm still familiarizing myself with the Tuna scores, but 85, that sounds like a pretty good number, Tuna. 85%. We see that she really has been basing out 220. So honestly, like I do like this more with your idea on the long against that. Now, again, it's like I usually don't take longs because I'm predicting more so volume coming in. I rather react to volume after it happens. But the 220 is decent risk. Like I said, I don't know if we're going to get the volume today on this play or not, but she does look like a decent long. And a very similar setup to OPTX was Hi Ho in the Christmas spirit. Hi ho, it's off to work we go. 220 magic number hit on that a few days ago. And she's been basing out too. That's something you guys gotta be mindful of. You gotta be mindful of the base. The base. AMC. Let me take a look at AMCI real quick. Again, this is all I got right now. 1050 short against 1120. I see she keeps kind of stair stepping, considering taking it off. Just monitoring that. 1065. All right. Yeah, you got to be mindful of the stair step. Sign of health, stair step. So be mindful of that with Hi Ho, OPTX. When especially a lot of rooms look at this, especially when you spike up a few days ago and then you just go kind of sideways. Now, I will make a note of FJet, which, this one is so painful. I was driving home from a vacation the day that I had a hangover. That's not really an excuse because I could have shorted it. I just, the mind wasn't really there. I did see it. You guys know when you're on a vacation and you're a trader, you still keep an eye. You keep an eye peeled. Keep that lazy eye peeled on the market. So FJet made that move hangover the next day. But yeah, we start basing out. And what you want to see is kind of like AFJK. AFJK has still been, this is actually a perfect example of this. FaZe, can you hear me in the background? Okay. All right. Give me just 1 second. I'll give this example. So AFJK, perfect example of a ticker that shoots up and then kind of bases out, goes sideways on light volume, and it becomes a liquidity trap. Now, what does that mean? It means you have shorts that are unwilling, really, to pay for the overnight cost, which kind of keeps this thing afloat. Like if shorts are in this thing and they have like very high overnight interest that they have to pay, they're going to be covering, which keeps this thing kind of afloat. And you see what AFJK has been doing. Highly manipulated play, but it just keeps randomly spiking as shorts are like, I am done paying hundreds of dollars a day to hold this thing overnight or whatever the case may be. Now, some shorts that are stuck in whatever that T12 was. That was kind of like an AFJK. That's some scary business right there. Of course, T12's bearish, but how much are you going to have to pay in shorts during that time? But we got Fades. He's in the wings. I missed you, Fades. Hope you had a great Christmas. What's
Merry
cracking,
Christmas,
Mr.
guys.
Fades?
Happy
Merry
holidays. Yeah, what's going on? Good to be back.
Mm-hmm.
Feels weird. It's like midweek weekend we had, but
I
yeah.
know.
So we'll see. The market definitely slowed down this week. Looks like this morning's been a little slow, and then before Christmas. So, but there was some good trades to be had. I had a really nice week, all in all. It was a lighter week,
Mhm.
but had some nice clean trades. So yeah, just gonna look for the good setups today and take it slow. Um, yeah, I've been looking at a couple of long plays. That RZLT that I talked about, I
Oh, I
touched.
know.
That
I
thing's
know.
been a beauty, and it's still grinding up. Little green pre-market, so see if that trend's going to continue. And then a bigger name that I'm watching actually for the long is QBTX. That one has been a known pumper, large cap pump theme. So watching that thing at key levels here for the dip, for the base, yeah, it could be a good level to get involved. So watching those two actually for a long. But besides that,
What in the world does the Santa cast a spell on you?
yeah.
I hear all these long plays.
Well, we do have to be careful because like there can be a lot of like Christmas like new money momentum, right? Like a lot of end of the year selling can cause like some bearish pressure, but then like the new money steps in after Christmas around New Year, like new cash injections, new start. So it's kind of just something to be aware of, like the themes of the market, kind of like how we had the Black Friday pumping and stuff. It's like there's probably more of a chance the market will be a little bit bullish, like short term here, but who really knows at the end of the day? I mean, the times we're living in, so we just got to take each day, day by day, really. And
Yeah.
having an idea of what's going on in the main market is very important, though. Even when you're trading these junkers and the smaller caps, just to have a general idea, like
You sent me some good stuff over the
blowing up.
holidays regarding like waiting for your setup. We were discussing that.
Mhm.
Just reflecting on like waiting for A+ setups traders versus, and it's a challenging conversation. What do you think about what I sent you? It's like, because newer traders, they're going to trade everything, and then
Mhm.
more like I like the quote where it says like amateurs need a trade and professionals need the trade.
Yeah, it's really
Um,
a process of elimination. Like as you evolve with trading, realizing the less is
mhm.
more. Yeah,
The
not needing to be.
problem that can arise from that though is when you wait for the trade, now bias is creeping in where it's like, okay, I've waited all this time for this trade. She has to work. Like it's
Hmm.
where I tend to be more emotionless when I'm in like several and I see what's working, what's not working. And maybe the C setup is becoming the A trade. And the A setup that we like is not working. And that's the one we're over convicted on. That happens all the
Right.
time where you're over convicted on something. And
Yeah,
that's the play that doesn't work. So
mhm.
it's tricky. And for an amateur trader, it's like a nightmare, like trying to figure all this out. But
Yes.
it was a great conversation. Like I don't
Yeah.
even know the correct answer on it. It's a challenging conversation.
Yeah, it really is. But I have been finding a lot of power in leveraging AI to journal, like
Mhm.
I talked about, and that's like some of the
I
screenshots I've been sending you.
know.
A lot of like key points that it just kind of like internalizes. It's like I feel like oftentimes we know the truth, but
It's like
sometimes
you're
just hearing it in a different way, right? Like that awareness, and then like hearing it back in a different light really
it's
helps you.
like your personal consultant, dude. Like
Hmm.
when you because we struggle with a lot of the same things. So to see like when you were sending those over, it's like, wow, there's power in this. Because yeah, this is
Oh yeah,
actually speaking light into my shadowy darkness.
seriously. I'm trying to
Oh
turn
man.
my Discord notifications off. My girl, we were playing. She wanted me to play ESO with her over the weekend, so I downloaded Discord. Now I'm getting blown up by all the chat rooms that I've joined over the last 10 years. Hold
I
on.
don't. What is ESO?
Elder Scrolls Online.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I was getting in the Discord there, so I'm getting blown up with all these penny pumper, like old degenerate Discords. Hold on. Let me figure out how to mute this.
So I do have a 1050 short on AMCI right now. Like it keeps getting smacked on these pops. I still kind of like it, but if it's going to be king of the day, I'll probably take it off. But there are a few plays I do like, and I want to go over. Let me see what's my favorite one. I like SOC, which speaking of socks, like
Mhm.
guys, this is the time of the year we get to re-up on our socks and
I need
undies.
socks, dude. I've been screaming that I need socks all year, all December. Like I don't know how I have like 100 socks, but none of them match. Like I just don't understand.
You just kind of do you not pair them up before you throw them in your dresser?
Depends on how I'm feeling.
You degenerate. You're like, dresser, they're on the floor.
Well, if they're all the same kind, I don't need to pair them, right? But then I end up mixing pairs, and it's like, oh man.
Thankfully, I'm like, I have the same black t-shirt, I got the same black socks, so
Right.
it's pretty easy to pair.
Yeah.
SOC, I like kinda against like the previous close here, 986.10. It is energy play, but she's up from $5 last week, still to 10.
Yeah. I was
Um,
trading that thing last week.
I think it's given some clear risk levels. That's one I like. CLYM, I do like this one too. This reminds me of a play I cannot recall, but we traded it real well. It was like cracking the ascending triangle. So CLYM right here, she had like the blow off breakout move a few days ago, and then was a hangover and pulled back. Now just kind of sitting here under that. I like the 520 there. It's real
Yeah.
slow, but I like 520 on that. Some of the marijuana plays like TLRY, it feels like the steam's just kind of dying down, or smokes.
Yeah, the smoke's clearing.
The smoke's
Yeah, what was Tilray? Was that the one we were trading?
yeah, Tilray.
Yeah.
It looks kind of heavy still. I mean, we got the 10, 50, 60. Like some of these plays I could see just kind of trickling out today. Like, are there gonna be a ton of bulls jumping into today on these
Yeah.
plays? I don't.
So
that's
another one that's still up a ton. That's had a little pop.
So I really do like SMX too. I mean,
Just
maybe
spready.
it's tricky, and like I mentioned earlier, I think there's shorts that are just underwater that are keeping these things afloat. That's why they're a liquid, and they're just like, I can't overnight this thing for a month. This is costing too much money keeping this thing afloat. But now we're back under the 150. I mean, that thing is. SMX was this was the play. Honestly, dude, this was the play when I went to Orlando and met up with you. It was SMX. Wasn't it? Or was it a different play? No.
It was the seed oils, but SMX might have been starting to get going. I mean, it's been kind of up for a while.
It might have been a different play because this looks like November. But yeah, this is SMX. I like that one. Look at the daily on this thing.
Yeah, the SMX and the AFJK, just big old expensive pumpers. Just like, what in the heck are they doing?
This thing's flagging on the daily.
Right? Yeah, it
makes no sense. This thing's flagging on the daily. Yeah, so it looks like she's about to crack or have another breakout from 3 to 1.
The watch list feels like thin. Seeing what you didn't go over, beat could be one.
Okay, BAT. I had taken her off, but actually she's this one's pretty good. Here's the chart on BAT. It's right on 250, under 250. She's got a lot of room back on down from 80 cents where she started. Good eye on B. Let's monitor that 250.
Everything is the theme has been cheap. It's been cheap pumpers again. We're seeing that like everything that's been on the leaders list the past few days has been like under $1 or like right around $1. Now we got another one, Davis commodity 50-cent pumper. So a lot of these trades become almost just unmanageable, untouchable with the prop firm at least.
This ECDA is kind of weird. It just popped up at 9. I didn't see any news. EC
Yeah, 120. It could be meet there.
SQFT was a mess.
ASPC.
Sid U, like a lot of the space plays are
Mm-hmm.
like Sid U's one of them. Sid U's nearly in a straight up trend. I mean,
Yeah, that'll be one to watch today if it does crack.
I know Tuna mentioned it. What's your Tuna score here, Sid U? She's up quite a bit, but it almost feels like it accumulates shorts on this sell off, and now it's just let's watch for a blow off top on it.
KTTA is another one that's interesting.
Kidda, is she still in play? Oh, Hi Ho is a weird looking chart too. I mean, this thing's basing.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, no, I think that's the reason. F Jet is a. What do you think with F Jet?
Yeah, that one I milked that thing pretty hard,
dude. It was such a good hangover. I was
I
pissed.
traded the hell out of that thing. That was one of my best trades of the week, actually.
Mm-hmm.
That was a beautiful trade, and it's still just looking like a piglet.
But it's a space play, so I mean that's what's been hot. Starfighter space.
It's been watching a lot of big take, but could be more.
AMCI guys cracking a little bit. Again, I got the 1050 short there. It actually looks like it may be confirming. I may hit this again on a short against.
It's got to reclaim a little bit.
Yeah, I may hit it again on a short against like that previous high I just put in. But market's about to open on up. I'm gonna focus AMCI out of the gates, but there was a few plays, SOC and CLYM and Beat. Several plays I'm monitoring.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see what this AMCI is gonna do out of the gate, though.
All right. And we're off.
AMCI pulling back, guys, pulling back into the 10.
Yeah, AMCI dumped and then it pumped hard again. So yeah, it is.
See what's going to do here. It's kind of. Are you smacking it?
No, that's my Discord. I thought I turned the notifications off. Are you hearing that? Let me fix that.
Yeah.
I thought I turned it off.
AMCI real interesting here. Interesting levels. I like the 11 now. I'm probably going to just set an 11, like kind of stop and let that thing play. All right, let me set the stop on that. I'm gonna see what she does around the 10. Let me flip through some of the plays we were looking at. ECDA is curling up, guys. 130, 132. A lot of volume coming into ECDA. Not sure what's going on with that play. Sid U is looking pretty good. The RR is real good here. Sid U against 320. Sid U on the short against 320. God, it actually looks really good. I'm going to have to take Sid U.
Okay.
Let me see. Sid U. Let me see. Buyers are stepping it. Hang on. It's doing a little dip and rip.
Yeah.
Let me see what she's going to do here. This thing is way overshot, dude, on this trend. It's like way overbought off its trend. I mean, even if you took the short just for a pullback down to the trend.
Mm-hmm.
Space play, Sid U, daily looks juice. $320. Let's see what 320 is going to do. Oh, AMCI working great, guys. We're in the 970s now, AMCI.
Nice.
Go.
Yeah. Good work there.
I'm just go ahead and take half off, 960.
All right, that should. Did I?
Adjusted stop up into the mid 10s. Good. Sid U Magic 320. Magic 320, Sid U.
Respecting it.
Respecting it. Yeah, that was going to be my risk. Here's what I'm going to do.
Let's see it.
I am going to throw something on Sid U against that 320. I like it maybe as a high a day number.
ECD.
Sid U against 320 now. I'm going to hit it with a short. Yeah, 320. God dang it, dude. I took my eyes off it for a second. But yeah, the 320 looking juicy. OPTX tuna, your OPTX play popping up a little bit. A lot of resistance in the 350 area.
It's like SOC, bro.
Damn it. Yeah, SOC is good. All right. SOC, how late are we to this?
Right.
Yeah, SOC looks really good. Let's 950 is kind of a good risk guide there. If we can get any pop on SOC, 950 looks really, really good. Sid, you already retested the highs. I stopped out there. I'm going to leave it.
Yeah. See. Tilray.
AMCI is excellent. That thing's in the 930s now.
Nice. Tilray is look at a key level right here. Testing lows.
Man, I like SOC a lot. I don't know. I don't want to chase it right here. Like to see it any kind of a pop on that. ASPC in the space sector as well. That one's spike. ASPC, that might be halted up, guys. All right, is it halt time? Is it time to play with these halts again? Halt up, halt down, halt up, halt down. Let's see. Yeah, ASPC halt. About to unhalt ASPC. God, SOC is working so well. Oh, ASPC's, is it not on TTP? I don't see it. I don't think I see it. Yeah, ASPC not on TTP. Dang it, dude.
SMX pressure down. QBTX dip and rip, perhaps. SOC pressure down.
Yeah, SOC's good against the 950s. Beat is right on that 250 level.
Tilray right here, right now, key level, guys. Might be testing next leg down.
1020, I like that. 1020.
At lows right now. Crack testing, trying to crack.
Yeah.
Tilray.
Beat is right on the 250, dude. I think I'm going to take beat here. I mean, this is like support, but... Let me just monitor the 250 on beat. It looks real good. If it cracks under that for just to start testing, like maybe even 220 profit target.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
washing.
I'm a hit beat. SMX. All right. Man, it's got an 8-point spread.
Yeah, it just dumps.
All right, I'll get involved there a little bit. SMX. ASPC still in a halt up, not tradable. ECDA is still out. Now the ECDA is at $1.40. CMCT, did that just halt? Let me take a look. CMCT is in a halt up, guys, on like really light volume. CMCT.
Oops. All right, some crazy.
470. She's going to open up at 942. I'll throw it down on the watch list.
Okay.
SMX is looking good. I hit it a little bit. It's cracking this trend if you want to.
Whatever the hell it's doing, yeah.
Whatever, yeah. But it's on. So yeah, I got a lot of trend lines on this thing. Just testing it out like right on that bottom trend. So let's see if that's going to start pulling on back some. TLRY under 10. I mean, 1020 looks good. TLRY for risk levels. I feel a little chasey with it. AMCI, that one bouncing off previous close. AMCI and looking heavy. A lot of upper shadows on wick on pops. AMCI's got a lot of good risk levels. I wouldn't size it crazy on this, but decent risk levels. SOC ended up being real nice, but SOC's kind of in a bear flag right now. What in the world is this yesterday on the last trading session SOC? What in the world is this? It was cracking to new lows, and then it like halted and opened up a point higher. I don't know if you see that. From the last trading, like midday. Very odd.
Sketchy.
FJET spiking up, guys. FJET. Yeah. FJET. Oh, dude. This is CWVX. Hi-Ho's trying to spike up a little bit. OPTX still like trying to reclaim 3. A lot of resistance overhead up there, but HYMC. We didn't go over this play, dude, but this is a mining play. HYMC. She's up a lot percentage wise, and it's finally like wicking out a few days ago. You see what I'm saying?
Interesting.
Wicked out at the 29s.
HYMC. Okay. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, good eye there.
Yeah, it's given a lot of downside risk and a lot of downside opportunity with clear risk levels now, like 60, like a point above it. I think I'm going to get involved with that one. Yeah, HYMC. Just give it I'm going to give it like a point.
Yeah.
A lot of orders coming in on the ask.
Okay. See.
Yeah, I'm hitting it a few times, HYMC.
I like that wick it just put in.
Yeah. Give that one a decent amount of risk. HYMC coming down to the previous close.
Yeah, let's see.
Okay. There were a couple other plays at CMCT unhalted, guys. CMCT getting rejected off of the 480s right now.
Yeah.
They're on a Crow, so yeah, okay, sweet. Yeah, TTP's live over there. Very cool. CMCT, yeah, I think TTP. Yeah, they should be alive. I think.
There's a few in play. Let's see. Yeah, SMX and SOC, Tilray. Everything else is kind of flat. AMCI pumping $10. King of the days. ASPC is the king of the day.
CMCT. I'm gonna. This is kind of interesting up here. On real light volume. A lot of like 6 resistance.
HYMC is looking fruitful.
Yeah.
Might be a safer one.
Yeah, I leaned into that one a little bit, giving it a little bit of risk. ASPC resume price $32. I wish we could trade that one. Yeah, ASPC, dude. Oh my god, that thing opened up 4 points higher.
Okay, it's not tradable.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm just seeing the missed opportunity.
Yeah.
HYMC is working out really well right now, though, guys.
A lot of volume there.
Cracking under the previous test in the previous close level out right now.
Heavy.
Yeah, 25 orders are stacking on 25.
Tilray stuck at lows. SOC churning. SMX heavy churn.
Yeah, I'm gonna refresh Uzo and see if that kicks in. Nope, no ASPC. Yeah, CMCT is kind of trickling up, but that one's I like against maybe like 520-ish CMCT on light volume. ECDA still holding up somehow.
Passing time. So HYMC's printing.
Yeah, I know. Like thinking about smacking it some more.
SOC is staying heavy so far. That reclaim. SMX printing. The RZLT is still getting buys.
ECDA at highs right now too. Yeah, HYMC looking good. Looking like she's gonna have a red day today.
Down 2% on the day. That was a pretty nice candle down. So SMX and HYMC are the ones that are printing right now. SOC as well, if it can get another leg down, would be nice. Everything else is kind of quiet, flattish. What are you seeing?
CMCT at highs. ECDA, is that going up into a halt? ECDA I see on the scans. ECDA, oh my god, yeah, that one's just hit 175.
Tilray creeping down. I don't know how much meat is left there, but it did just break down lower. Watching SOC here at 9. And HYMC, I'd love to see that thing fade another point or two.
Yeah, I'm in HYMC bigger picture, in a little SMX. I like the beat, but beat's trying to hold the
SMX feels real good today. The move it's put in. It gave like a little false hope after hours pop, rejected this morning, heavy sense, no manipulation up, like just selling down. So that's nice to see.
AMCI, what's she doing? Haven't looked at her in just a little bit. Oh, 1070s. Wow, AMCI got a little bounce.
Mm. So you back home now?
Yeah.
Back home. On the road.
Yeah. You still at family?
Yeah. My girl's coming. She's flying in tonight, so I'm gonna go pick her up from the airport. We're gonna spend the weekend with my parents and Monday, and then probably head back Tuesday. So I should be around for a little bit in the morning, maybe not that long next week, but
Okay.
I should be around a little bit at least. You know me, I gotta be here when nothing comes before the market. Nothing comes before business.
I know. When the giving's good.
Even Rose, even you don't come before business. Well, sometimes.
ECDA is at highs right now still. Not so.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, my brother's in town, so we're hanging out a little bit too. He's gonna come over here in just a little bit.
Nice. That's what's up. Yeah, probably just kick back with these plays today and not. It hasn't been a week to stick around and fight and force. Been kind of quiet, so take what the market gives us, see what it's presenting, and then step away. So,
Absolutely. You just got a few that you're going to just leave on, you think? P.
yeah, that's probably what it's looking like. Not seeing anything on the losers list.
Ah, Sid U. Sid U came back down, but kind of formed a descending triangle, cracked under 320. Oh, well.
Yeah, I mean, meh.
HYMC's been good. Against previous close now, 25 is not bad.
Yeah, I like the HYMC. I like the feel of that one. I like SMX for bigger picture. I mean, I feel like between those two, like less is more probably with those. Just letting those work. I like those two
Yeah. Yeah.
for today. RZLT, I liked it a lot better along under $2. You know, at two. But that thing still has meat if the uptrend continues. It's just kind of a sketchy one. Not our typical play that you're going to see us calling out, but it's been a great long off that bottom. If you sniped it, stuck with it. Um, yeah, besides that, I mean, Tilray might be, just to ride that fade down, just broke lows. It's not going to be some drastic trade, but might be some meat to scavenge there. Anything else I'm seeing? That's it, really. That's the three leading losers I got, bro. SOC, SMX, and Tilray on my list.
Okay, Smoke Tuna. So ECDA is doing that reverse split kind of thing. Gotcha. All right. Let's be mindful of that. But yeah, you guys know what we're looking at. Enjoy the rest of the Christmas holiday with family and whatnot. Don't sit behind the computer too long. AMCI breaking 11 with authority. Wow. Yeah, it must have just accumulated some shorts there for that reversal. Robotics theme keeping up.
Yeah.
But yeah, looks like it's going to be a decent green day today. I'll take it. Happy with it. Take what we can get and move on. I will say this, like, I was reflecting a little bit on the last week because, like, I had a few, like $100 days, and it's like it annoys me so much when I'm like I want to press on the accelerator, but knowing via back testing where I find success is like when I size to a point where I think with a lot of clarity and I just accumulate over time. Like it's not, oh, I'm looking for these $1,000 days every day.
Right.
I'm just the stack kind of methodology is where I find a lot of success. Like where you can actually over the course of a month or two, you're making a good amount of progress.
Yeah.
You're not trying to do that in a day because that's what I think with less clarity. So I was reflecting on that over the
Shoot yourself in the foot. It seems glorious. Like
Yeah.
the wins are glorious and you can romanticize about them, but then you shoot yourself in the foot and you're limping for 2 weeks and it's like, oh, was that really worth like over leveraging on that one setup? Like, and that's where we talk about like the trades that were most convicted often can be the most dangerous for that reason. Because you're right, you got the right idea. Like you're on it, you're seeing it right, but you're just a little too the over ambitious bear. Like and that,
Yeah.
and I've learned that, and like that's what a lot of what I've learned about my journaling too. Like 9 times out of 10, that's where my own sabotage is. I'm just too ambitious. Like I have the right idea, I'm just want to make too much too fast, right? It's like I like the setup too much. Like I put too much risk on, and like that's where you blow up.
Yeah.
So it's like if you can have that discipline to always be sizing less than you want to, that's really the winning formula. Like it's not a sexy topic, it's not it's not what's going to sell or what's going to bring people in and attract people, but it's like that's the truth. Like you got to just take it slow because yeah, the home runs are glorious, but like behind every home run screenshot is 3 blowups that you're not seeing. So that's just it's just the plain truth. There's no way around it.
Yeah, that is the truth. Yeah, you see those huge wins, but behind, there's always the blow ups and the heavy losses behind. I mean, there's no heavy risk without the heavy reward. It's just part of it.
Yeah. SOC has a big ask that's kind of pushing it down. I'm seeing, oh, nope. just got bought up. Something about that ticker SOC, I just don't really trust it. Like I looked at the chart too. It's a kind of a beat up chart.
Yeah, the last trading session was weird. You saw that price?
Yeah, I don't know, man. That one kind of feels trappy. Like, is that going to be the next one that just grinds up higher and higher for no whatever reason? Like, so I'm not going to try to get in front of that one too much.
ECDA, definitely there's something there. I'm just still eyeballing her.
Okay.
But outside of that, guys, yeah, let's good work, Fades. Per usual.
Yep. Always evolving. Monday will be a fresh week. I expected today to be slower and calmer. So just, seeing what predictable stuff is out there, where's the cleanest setups that we can take and follow the process and repeat it the next day. Rinse, repeat.
Rinse, repeat. All right, traders. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in today. And traders, yeah, we'll see you back here on Monday morning.
Yeah.
ECDA 2:30 for take profit. Yeah, good work, guys. Appreciate y'all. We will see you back Monday morning.